and just some random people that have been not even knowing it, but just throwing some stoke on my fire. I pulled over to cook some road tacos the other day and pulled up right beside a homeless dude playing guitar I didn't even see. So I cooked him lunch and ended up chatting with Sean. And what a guy, you know, everyone's got a story. Sean made me laugh a couple times because when he said, I told him I'm going to Central America, and he goes, "What are you going to do in Missouri?" This will shock you, but I've stopped 5 times in the last 15 minutes. I just can't help it. That is a stunning tree. So that's the grandfather tree, 1800 years old, 265 feet high, and 24 feet in diameter. That's what that sign says over there. Well, you know it's getting better when I gotta pull over and buy some sunscreen. It's getting hot, hot, hot. So I went with the Coppertone 15 because it was either 15, 40, or 50. And this looks good when it's all bronzed up. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Have a great day. Get me the fuck out of here. That was a horrible idea.